An important consideration when designing your course in Canvas is the homepage. The course homepage is the first page that students see when entering a course. This page can be customized to display content based on an instructor's preference. In this video, I will show you the 5 options that Canvas offers, how to switch between them, and tell you my preferred choice. Let me open a course that I have organized using Canvas called Spanish 385 Digital Content Creation. The screen that loads is called the home screen, and this is what the students will see. At any time, a student can navigate back to the home screen by selecting Home on the navigation bar. To change the home screen, you must be logged in as an instructor. Navigate to the right-hand side of the screen and select Choose Homepage. Here, you are presented with 5 options. The first one is Course Activity Stream, which you saw at the beginning of this video. This will show students current announcements, assignments, and discussion threads. We will skip over Page for right now and change the homepage to Course Modules. I select the option and hit Save. Now, when students log into the course, they will be presented with the modules. Modules is a tool that can unify all course content into structural components. Module content can be grouped by week, topic, or day. Modules can be set up to require students to complete materials in sequential order. Let's change to another option. Navigate to the right-hand side and choose Homepage. This time, I will select Assignments List and hit Save. This is exactly what it sounds like, a list of assignments. An assignment is any activity assessment that is created by the instructor. Assignments can include assignments, discussions, and quizzes. Some assignments are submitted for no grade. Other assignments may be submitted offline but tracked in the Canvas gradebook or be submitted online. Let's change to another option. Navigate to the right-hand side and select Choose Homepage. This time, I will select Syllabus and then hit Save. The syllabus is a piece of content that outlines activities in a course. The syllabus page shows a table-oriented view of the course schedule and the basics of course grading. You can add any other comments, notes, or thoughts you have about the course structure, course policies, or anything else. This additional information is added by selecting Edit at the top of the screen. Now let me show you my preferred choice for a homepage: Pages, Front Page. This option, however, is initially grayed out. We have a 3-step process to make a page our homepage. Step 1, create a page. Step 2, designate the new page as the front page. And Step 3, choose it as the homepage. All right, let's get into this. Step 1, let's create a page. Navigate to the left side of the screen and select Pages. In the upper right-hand corner, select Add Page. This page can range from simple black and white text with basic information to a fancy and intricate page with pictures, graphics, or GIFs. Once you have created the page, and you can always edit it more later, scroll down and select Save and Publish. We have completed Step 1. We have created a page. Step 2, we must designate that specific page as our desired homepage. Navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and select Pages. In the list of pages, any of which could become a homepage, find the page you created. Identify the 3 dots on the right and select with a left click. Scroll down and select Use as Front Page. We have now completed Step 2. Step 3. Finally, we must tell Canvas to show this page to the students. Let's go back to the home page, navigate to the right-hand side, and select Choose Homepage. The second option is no longer grayed out, and we can select the radio button, Pages Front Page. Hit Save. This page is now what students will see when they enter the course. Pages is my preferred choice for a homepage. Let me show you 2 homepages in 2 different courses I am teaching, a simple one and a more complex one. The first page uses basic information with a few hyperlinks and a table. This offers students the most pertinent information, but lacks pizzazz. This second option is a page that I created by inserting graphics and buttons, and then linking those buttons to different parts of Canvas. The Start Here button leads to an orientation module. The Contact leads to a page with my contact information and office hours. The Updates leads to the announcements. Yes, students could use the navigation link on the left to get to announcements, but I prefer to concentrate their attention on these buttons. In the next video, I will show you how I created those buttons, added them to a page, and then created the hyperlinks. Canvas offers you 5 ways to organize your homepage: Course Activity Stream, Pages Front Page, Course Modules, Assignments List, and Syllabus. What works for me may not fit your needs or style. You may also want to poll your students and see what they respond to. Let me know if you have any questions or would like to offer tips to other users on Canvas. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Suerte!